It's Thursday, June 21st. We got Tony down there, Ryan right here. We got 6 lines in the water fishing up here by Lock 3. After a 2-mile walk to get up here, hopefully we can pull out some fish. It's only about 6:30 right now. We're gonna stay through dark. We got a bucket of bluegill that we caught out of a creek.
Ryan has his no-go prize on the line.
Ryan's fishing with some kind of weird beetle-looking thing he found. Hopefully between the 3 of us and our 6 rods, we'll be able to pull some fish out of here. All right, I'm hooked up to my first fish of the night.
Woo! Yeah, it looks like you, Mark. Give him the camera. I should take the camera over. I'm just looking in the water.
Move your big melon head, dude.
Dude, I got a smaller head than me. Yep.
Looks like it might be a catfish.
I see carp. Okay, there's a catfish for it.
Nice little channel cat. Not a bad sized one. Here's my second fish of the day.
Holy shit, he caught another one. He just casted this.
Looks like a walleye.
It is. Fucking ass. I got the second guess. Walleye.
It's not a bad sized walleye.
I ain't reaching his mouth. Tony, will you grab the clips off my bag? Never mind, I got it.
It's probably a legal walleye. Not a bad fish. It's my third fish of the day. Looks like another walleye. This one's a little bit smaller than the other one. Still got some teeth on it though. I'm not gonna stick my finger in its mouth. I'm out here trying to watch 6 rods at the same time. Tony and Ryan had to go back to town because they didn't bring drinks and it's been 90 degrees all day. So got this walleye. I'll get him off the hook, get baited back up, get my line back in the water. Looked up here to my 4th fish of the day and it's actually a gar. This is the first one I've ever caught in the river. Weird, weird, weird fish. Prehistoric looking. Gar. We got all kinds of teeth. First one I've ever caught out of the river. Caught it on a bluegill, a dead bluegill.
Is that a walleye?
Ryan's hooked up, looks like a channel cat.
Yeah, it's a channel. Oh, rattle, rattle, rattle. I bet it fricks me.
Pretty good sized fish.
Heck yeah. Now that it has its concussion.
Doesn't matter. Think fast and slow my hook. I cast that out like 2 seconds ago.
Pretty decent sized cat. Alright, I'm hooked up again.
Looks like a channel cat.
That one's pretty small. Swallowed the hook. Ryan just caught a real tiny rock bass.
Tony's been smoking a little bit of marijuana plant.
Mark, it's a shame you didn't get on my shark camera.
Tony's over there
Yeah.
missing his fish.
What?
You missed them.
Yeah, you missed like the 5 I caught.
Alright, so we're hooked up with a double. I got a
There's
little
yours.
sheep's head. Ryan's fish is still out there. It was peel and drag pretty good.
About right there.
Ryan hooked his on a bluegill, so it should be a pretty decent sized catfish. It's my guess.
It's not too far out. I'm gonna take the headlamp.
There's my little sheep's head.
Huh?
It's going to
There's
drag.
a fish on it.
Well, can it get tighter?
Can. He's right there. See him?
No.
No, he ain't liking it. He's right there. He ain't liking that light too much. Cut the light.
I'm gonna shut the light off for a second. I'll turn the camera back on when we get this fish in. Alright, we don't have a light on yet, but we have a triple. I have that sheep's head on my rod. Ryan's still reeling in his fish, and I just hooked a fish on my other rod.
Tony got one too.
So I think that's pretty sweet. We got a triple hookup.
Is that you or me? Is that you?
Probably. Yeah, that's me. Looks like I got a catfish. You gotta turn the gas on a little bit and then press the ignition button to spark it.
Shit.
Ryan's fish just came off, I think.
Yeah, it did.
I got my catfish down here. My channel cat. So there's my channel cat. I got my sheep's head over here. So I got a double and Ryan's fish broke off. Seemed like a pretty decent fish, whatever we had on. Channel cat. I haven't caught any flatheads yet tonight. Tony's finally hooked up with his first fish. I haven't seen it yet on the water. We don't really know what it is. Still fighting this fish.
It's right here.
It's right here. Looks like it might be a flathead.
Just watch that rod right there. They have teeth.
Not really. Their mouth just kind of feels like sandpaper. Tony got a pretty decent flathead.
I feel like I'm noodling.
We can
Grab it.
some.
You can grab it right out there.
You want to get a picture on your phone, right?